All right, guys, so I'm right behind the casino right here, as you can see. I walked all the way around, and so behind me is the ship. It's beautiful, beautiful. And right in here, you can see down there the orange. Maybe I'm thinking you can, but those are fish. Those are gorgeous. This whole area has got some of the most beautiful fish, and you need a wetsuit. It's really cold, but there's a diving center right behind me here, and so if you're a certified diver, I can see these beautiful orange fish. It might be snapper, but yeah, how cool to be able to go like literally right here and just see nature. There's a lot of seaweed. And Cheryl and I went here many years ago and did the submarine, and I know this island area right here is just full of fish. So if you want to go scuba diving, yeah, this would be one of those places to go. Snorkeling, yeah, you'd be able to see him. If I can see him from here, you definitely can do it snorkeling. I'm watching a class right over here, and they're talking about going under for the first time, and so it sounds like they have classes for beginners and those that are certified. Maybe they're not certified, I don't know. I'm not an expert, but it sounds like they're not, so they're going through that process, and you can just tell that they're excited about going scuba diving right here. What a gorgeous day. There's not a cloud in the sky. So I brought my drone. I'm gonna get it out. We're gonna fly it over by the ship, and I'll give you area views of where I'm at right now. All right, I'll see you guys shortly. Yeah, so that was fun, huh? Did you like that? I did. It takes a lot of work to learn how to navigate a drone, And yeah, to get footage like that, it took me a while to learn. There's a couple things that I enjoy about traveling, and that's being able to explore and do things I've never done. And you know, today's technology, you can see right there that you know, you get to bring you, the viewers, another perspective of what I look for when I travel. And you know, being a photographer, when I was younger, I always had an eye for just seeing little details that would make a beautiful image. So angles, or the way the sun is directed to make an image look more appealing, I guess is the right word. So that's why I get into giving you what I'm looking at, or that makes sense, right? So yeah, that's why I like doing this. Yeah, there's things that I get so involved in making the videos, I forget to tell you all important things about myself. And that's in order for this to all happen, it matters because you guys support the channel by watching and viewing. You know, I'm pretty new at this on YouTube, but I'm not new at traveling. And I think I've told you all before, I am a travel agent. And people told me, in fact today, I should be telling you all that, you know, if this is what you want to do or go see, just give me a call. I'll be happy to help you. Yeah, somebody was also telling me, hey, I wish I got to meet you at the beginning. So come and see me if you see me in person. So yeah, all right, more to come. Yeah, so people ask me all the time, what is your favorite cruise line? Well, I'll be honest with you, it's any cruise line. It's what you have to fit with what you like to do. But for me, I enjoy the ship. So if it's full of fun, or if it's relaxing that you're looking for, that is the key. You know, if you want to have a great time on a cruise ship, then you need to know a little bit about yourself and what you want out of it. You know, are you a foodie? I am. Do you want to be entertained? I do. You know, and those are the questions that I ask you if you ever want help to choose the right ship for you. And I'll spend that time with you over the phone and ask those right questions. So yeah, the name of my travel agency is called Poolers Travel. It's very simple, www.poolertravel.com, and all my contact information's on there. If you want to see or do anything or quote whatever, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Anyways, back to Jeffrey's adventures.